abaso okusabibagadi waffe amanya gange batutalule Humphrey Mayanja manze mukabanawafe asonga ddala nenasonga ddala okwebaza buli omu atubeera okutagala bafeyalwa fana ku ssaawa eyo basize okukanga okukubiri dadi waffe yatukuzizza ntasi atwaganya asomeseza akoze buli kintu kyagezezza kukyanasobola. I remember last year at another WhatsApp, I have my head money. So we are going to go to 2019. The most I can do is now, because I'm not going to my children. You must be doing you, but I'm going to see you. Jagalamba Bali, Jagalamba Bali. I hustle because of you guys. The last one I was not going to say by the plan, and thank you so much. Chimana to you, that was the peace, shampoos, that is the man to have.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming today. My name is Mayanja. I am the firstborn child of Humphrey Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Habibi, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. Daddy loved all of us. Daddy made sure we never lacked. Daddy always provided. Daddy was my best friend. He was my friend. There was nothing I couldn't tell my father. Even during the last moments, the thing I remember vividly was Sunday. Sunday, again I'm trying to Thursday, but Sunday and again they were coming mulaba. Nangamba, go nilila, labika bulungi. Then we joked, and that was the last good memory I remember because Medua Lilo, they're in so much pain. Ngatayagala kulia, akoye, kama koye, mundeke. Tungamba daddy, no, you have to fight, you have to fight. And he kept asking, but what for? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said. But I would like to thank these friends because we are the first time Uncle Pe Nangamba, Uncle Pius Nangamba, Taata Wasingo Bamanya. Creating a WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. In our number, I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but there were over 200 people that have been helping. They have been sending money, they have been sending things, food. They have really, really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Taliwo. Yalinenda Dingali in the States, Kwanga Fetwalieno, but then Yali Kamuade, Kakula Kimo, and Yalimu Bane Shamira Yamlavila. Shamira, thank you so much. I can't wait for you to come. Wherever in your kuja, wherever in the
kale oyo asembeyo Bogera ye Priscilla ndowooza abantu bonna ab'Okwirisoni ne Kayembe mumumanyi bulungi. Basebwe bannyabo waliwo Elifazi bwali